I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys. Super sport.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. You guys seen the title. Today we are going to be talking about the amount of gas I spent in this car over the course of 5 months. Now, I have another video on my channel which is talking about things like you know, car payments and everything else. A lot of you guys already know about that video or found my channel through that video, but in that video I told you guys about my gas cost, but only for 1 month. So I figured a lot of people want to know, you know, they want to know how much it costs to, you know, own this car. All right, and I specifically wanted to share my costs over 5 months with you guys, for those of you who are not just planning to get this car, but you're planning to get this car and drive it hard. You're planning to have a lot of fun. You know, you're not going to be holding back. So also, maybe if you don't plan to go crazy in this car, and maybe you're just going to be a humble driver and you kind of want to get an idea of how much you're going to spend or how much you can expect to spend. So when you hear my cost, which is pretty high in my opinion, when you hear my cost, for some of you who may be planning to drive less, you might feel really good because you'll know how much I spend and you'll know that, okay, I'm probably not gonna spend as much. But anyway, let's just get right into it. I am going to pull it up on the app for you guys that I use to track my expenses, and you know, you're gonna see how much I spend. All right, guys, so before I show you the total, I want to show you guys some of these transactions here, and look at the amount in these transactions, okay, and look at how often they're happening. So I really want you guys to understand, before I show you the final total, how much or how often I'm actually even filling up this car. So you're looking here and you see like 50s and 20s and 40s. The smaller numbers are transactions like probably if I bought some juice or something else in the gas station. Obviously I didn't spend like $1 or $3 on gas, but yeah, so the bigger ones are the gas payments, man. And understand, guys, that you can see some days I'm filling up like twice a week, you know, and it takes about like 50 something dollars usually to fill up the car. All right, depending on how much the gas is at the time. So understand, guys, that you know, you guys know this, I drive hard, I drive a lot, and you know, this will probably give you an idea of how much you might spend if you get a car like this. Now, looking at the total now, let's move on here. Over the course of 5 months, which is from the time I got the car up until the day I'm recording this video, I've spent $2,078.10 in gas, man. Now I want you guys to understand something as well, okay? This car is not just an investment for me, for especially for the YouTube channel. This car is, I don't know, how can I say this? This car is like, it maintains my sanity, if you want to say. You know, I have a lot of moments when, you know, I just want to be like by myself, or I'm just like super down about something, and I don't know, man. Not everybody's like this, and I do not expect a lot of people to understand what I'm saying here, but this car, and I know it's just a thing, it's just materialistic, it can be replaced, but at the same time understand that this car does something for me. This car makes me like, if I'm depressed, okay, if I had a hard day at work or just something, anything stresses me out, if I jump in this car, okay, and I go for a drive, or even if I just start up this car, when I get in this car, man, it's like, I don't know, it's like I have no more problems in the world, you know. And then as soon as I get out of this car or I stop driving, it's like automatically I start thinking about all the problems that's going on, you know, just in the world, in my life. And I don't know, man, only some people will get me on this, but this car means a lot to me. So going back to talking about the gas a bit, I got a little bit sidetracked. I just want you guys to understand like why I spend so much time, you know, driving this car. You know, and pretty much like, it's, for me, it's, I don't see it as like I'm spending money. I see it as an investment, not just for, you know, financially, but for my own mental state, you know. And yeah, man, so if you guys are planning to get a car like this, you guys have an idea of how much somebody who drives like crazy spends in gas. So, you know, use that for your own judgment, or to estimate how much you might be paying. Also, I might be doing another video like this in another few months. I was planning to make this 6 months in, but I kind of couldn't wait. So I just made it 5 months in for you guys. But you know, if you want to see more videos like this talking about like money and costs to do certain things, you know, let me know. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, man, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys, super sport.